Hi friends, this is Pujita and welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs Adda by Pujita. Friends, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more latest job updates which are posted by my friends. And as well as my suggestion, friends, please watch the entire video. Don't skip the video in the middle. By chance, if you skip the video, you are going to miss some of the main important points which were told by me in the video. Okay, all the best, friends. So today's video, just the brief description of overview I will be giving you right now. What the video consists of. So it's a work from home based company, guys. I'm going to tell in the video about the company Amazon, and they are hiring for seller support executive. Here is the Naukri website, so that you can apply from here directly, or they have provided you one of the link. I'll share you how to register and every of the details. So coming to the video, friends, so the company name is Amazon. So they're hiring for selling partner support associate. It's in work from home, guys, and the work location Mumbai, and the only Mumbai candidates, local candidates only can apply for this job. So please keep this in mind. And they are looking either for freshers are also okay, and minimum maximum up to 5 years of experience they are hiring for, and the salary they will be providing is 2,75,000 to 4 lakhs per annum they will be providing you. Okay, and so they have mentioned, see, once you can see, candidates who are based in Mumbai only should apply. So they have mentioned many times, so keep it in mind, don't forget. And if you can see here, openings, 50 openings are there. So how to apply? So whoever is interested for this job role, they can I will be sharing this link in the description. You can apply that. I'll be sharing you how to register also at the end of the video, so please watch the entire video. So after completing the registration process, you will be eligible for you will be receiving an email, friend. So in that mail you will be having online test invitation from Hire Pro. So admin@hirepro.in, from which you will be getting the mail ID. Like, you will be mentioning the assessment link, your username and your password will be in that mail. Okay. So once the assessment is started, you have to complete the total assessment in a same day, not on the other day. Okay. So please take the assessment in a quiet location. No sound should be there, and no background noise also should be there. Okay. So you have to take this assessment in your laptop or desktop which is having a webcam. Okay, so it's a totally virtual online exam, right? So webcam has to be the compulsory, with a good quality of USB headphone with mic. So voice and accent test would also be there, right? So headphone with mic has to be the compulsory. Okay, these are the main conditions they are mentioning while attending the online assessment test. Okay, so coming to the roles and responsibilities, so they have mentioned these are the rules you have to do, but it is not limited. Okay, still many would be there, many job responsibilities totally based upon your team, you have to do it. Okay. So first, if you are right now working with the seller support, right? So you should have end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction. And demonstrate effective, clear and professional written and oral communication, and provides prompt and effective service to Amazon sellers, merchants, including the appropriate escalation of seller issues. So if suppose a seller calls you or mails you regarding the support assistant that they need any help, you have to give end to end each and every point you have to mention, and you have to help them. So always portraying the company, you have to give a response in a positive manner, no rude behavior, no negative things about the company. Okay. So management skills should be there, where you have to work independently, you should not depend on others, you have to work on your own, and using department resources, policies and procedures. You will be having some SOPs, like all the details will be there, like the company policies and the procedures, everything will be there. So you should be a positive team environment. You should always maintain positivity only. No negativity should be spread over the team members. Okay, and maintain acceptable performance metrics will be there, like per day you have to maintain this much of metrics will be there, like quality, productivity, first contact resolution, and attendance. Like this includes like quality, you have to speak up. The terms and conditions will be there, like in as they mentioned here, like procedures, right? According to the procedure, you have to mention each and every point to the seller, and the productivity, and how you are working with that. And the first contact resolution means if a seller calls you right now, in the same call or mail, you have to reply as it is in the same that comes under first contact resolution. And attendance, so maximum you have to you should not take more leaves, so that your attendance would be good. Okay, actively seek solutions, so through logical reasoning and data interpretation skills, and identify strengths to appropriate channel, including improvement suggestion. Okay, lies with other departments such as customer service, merchant investigations, or payments teams as required to resolve sellers issues and questions. So you should be very cooperative, or very proactively speak with the other departments, and you have to make it. Okay, and the basic qualifications they are looking for is bachelor degree in any discipline with 0 to 10 years of experience. The fresher is also eligible for this, and maximum up to 10 years of experience also they are hiring. So you should be very good in good, not good, it's you have to be very excellent with written and verbal communication in English. Okay, and the shifts will be 24/7 working shifts, including night shifts, and the shifts are decided based upon your business environment. Okay, and weekly off will be rotationally 2 consecutive days will be the 5 days working, and 2 days week off. Those week offs will be rotational. Okay, Monday to Sunday, any 2 days you will be getting. Okay, during the first 4 months training and transition, no unplanned leaves are allowed. So you should not take any unplanned leaves during the first 4 months of the training. So ability, you have to have a good knowledge to use desktop or laptop with familiar, like internet browsers, Windows OS or Microsoft OS, Outlook and MS. You should be familiar of using all these things. Okay, and home environment free from background noise, where you can connect to the internet and work on your delivery. So right now it's work from home, right? The peace environment, any noise should not be there while you are taking the calls. Okay, so you should have a good internet connection, minimum speed of 20 Mbps or better, and should at least have 100 GB data from a reliable provider. So the speed internet connection has to be minimum 20 Mbps speed. Why? Because if you are on a call and the customer is waiting for you, seller, so they don't wait for us, right? So the internet connection has to be very good, and minimum at least 100 GB data has to be there. Okay, should have access to mobile phone at all the time. So it's a work from home, right? You should be in contact with the your team members every time. You will be getting some other information through calls or through your phone. Okay, should have power backup in case of power shutdown. So power backup inverter, any condition is applicable for this. Okay, should be willing to interact with seller over calls, emails, chat, depending on the business need. Okay, so they again have mentioned candidates who are based in Mumbai only should apply. So just keep this in mind. This is the main thing. Only Mumbai candidates can apply for this job, and the compensation they will be providing like 2,90,000 to 4 lakh per annum. So it's based totally upon your experience level also. Okay, and additional information they are giving 2 options, like information security and ergonomic future furniture. So you should be willing to sign a undertaking do's and don'ts. One security policy will be there, you have to do that. And in again, we care about your health, suggests that all employees have the chair and the workspace for working. Okay, and you should have all the documents which you while attending during all this processing to you, like your original document certificates like degree, provisional, council letter, mark sheet, employment documents if you work before in any of the company, like your relieving letter, service letters, everything, and PAN card copy. Okay, so you have to submit all these documents to this persons. So in this I am going to show you how to apply for the job. So after clicking on this link, you will be redirected to this new page. This is the registration form, friends. So you are applying for this position, selling partner support associate, SPS, and work from home, Mumbai. So you will be asking, how did you find about this job? You can mention any of these job boards, social media, Amazon employee referral agency, campus, others. Okay. Next, later you can see here full name. Enter your full name. You have to mention your full name, your email ID, your mobile number, your alternate mobile number, your date of birth you have to mention, gender you have to mention, whatever star marks are there you have to, that is on mandatory things you have to mention. Okay, so you have to select your gender and the citizenship. You are an Indian or Bhutan, Nepal, you have to select if based upon your citizenship. Okay, and the current location, currently where you are, you have to select the location. Okay, like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. It's only for Mumbai, right? So only Mumbai people can select, that is Mumbai. Your highest degree, so 10th, inter, degree, completed graduation, completed post graduation pursuing candidates can also select for this. And the year of passing, which degree you have selected here, and the only year of passing for this you have to mention here. And education, like in arts, commerce, engineering, others, or science. Okay, and the total experience, if you have any experience you can mention over here, or else you can just mention 0 or any, not applicable. Are you working currently? If you are working currently, you can click on yes or no. Then if you have any notice period, or you can join immediately, like that you can mention totally based upon your knowledge. You have to mention current employer, where are you working, or your last employer details you have to mention. Okay, current monthly salary, so in monthly salary, not in the lakhs per annum you should not mention, only a monthly, like 20,000 per month, 30,000 per month, like that you have to mention. Okay, and the next comes to, are you willing to work overtime as per business requirements? So if you are interested to work extra hours, you can click on yes, or if you are not interested, click on no. Okay, and next, are you willing to work in rotational shifts, and if there is business requirement, and week offs also, are you interested? If you are interested, you can click on yes, or else no. Okay, are you willing to be in a job that may require interacting with customers via telephone or email? So it's almost a choice, voice process and semi voice process there. So if you are interested, you can click on yes, or else no. Do you have a PAN card? If yes, yes, click. Have you ever been employed to Amazon? If you worked before with Amazon, you can click on yes. If not, you can click on no. So are you currently working with Amazon? If you are working with Amazon, you can click on yes. If you are not working, you can click on no. Then later you can upload your resume, okay, and your passport size photo over here, and you can click on the checkbox over here. Okay, and click on this captcha, and I'm not a robot, like you can click it, and you can click on submit. After submitting, as I have mentioned you right before, that you will be getting the link, the mail through like admin@hydro.in. So in that you will be getting online test invitation, assessment link, your username and your password. Okay, so all the best, friends. If anybody is looking for this job, please forward to them also, who is in the need of job. Thanks for watching my video. All the best, friends. Have a good day.